Brusco Brothers ball. Bossy Dogs versus Boss Gods. And a two-run attempt. And pass inside. Oh, wow. Is it a better pair?
Locking.
Rebound of Team Doggy and 2-point attempt. Finds West Box. 2-point Mega. And still Team Doggy and 1 point. Team Doggy. Team at 2 point. Inside. Ooh! Once again, thank you very much, guys. And all the posts on social media now. Facebook, YouTube channel. Please share, like, and comment. Ako si Pang Salud ng Pang Sports. Ako si YouTube. Dito kay Samson TV. Hindi ka naman inside. Shot clocks disappears. Wow, what a hustle. He loses it. And still plays it up, but never. Team Brusco Brothers driving inside the paint. And Team Waits and 2-point attempt. Still no good for Brusco Brothers. Bossy Dogs at the paint too. For Bossy Dogs too. Asking for themselves to come for China. A big timeout for Team Doggy. Here's Team Doggy and Brusco Brothers.
Kaya mo, please!
Going for that family pass. Brusco Brothers. Wow, what a layup. Beautiful and a steal for MTV Hoops. And back inside the back. 1 point for Team Booyah-Cherry. For MTV Hoops, hesitation again. That loses again. And the ball will be in favor of Team Doggy. Grabe ang labanan. Super init for our victory of our motivated.
Isa lang naman.
So far, we'll talk it.
Score!
So there's some question here, 8-7 now or 8-6, so we're just waiting for the clarification from the officials.
Okay, let's just respect the judgment of our officials.
8 orange, 7 blue, so we got some adjustment that we need to do. So according to our officials,
magwawala ako dito, puta na.
Press pa na yung score. Sino naman nag-i-score? Sino magpagawa na pala dito? Jerry!
Super intense. Okay, go ahead, Ulo.
so the official score is Team Brusco Brothers 8, Doggy 7.
Yun!
That is the official score, okay?
Okay, official score.
Kaya mo, kaya!
Brusco Brothers pushing inside. Hustle by Team Doggy. Team Doggy. And Team Hoops got the ball. Right inside. Layup. And it's good. 1 point for MTV Hoops. Okay, all time for Bruce Brothers and Team Doggy. And it's 1 point for Team Bruce Brothers. Wow, what a shuffle. Team Doggy. Classic foul. Wow. What an intense battle. Substitution. Grabe ang Boss Dogs versus Boss Dogs hand to hand. Here we go. Inside, it's running away. Team Doggy and Team Hoops attacking the two. And it's no good. Team Russo Brothers. Back to Boss Dogs. Hesitation. Attacking the two.
Recta, please.
Ibang klase ang ating Game 3. The intensity. It's a 4-point lead in favor of Russo Brothers and 1 point for MCD Hoops. Back to 3. And now for Team Doggy. Attacking the 2 points. No good. Rebound. Bossy Jonas and Kitang-kita nyo po ang big face on ni Bossy Jonas. Here we go. Sizing up the area. Here we go. It's our house. Kapite po according to Bossy Jonas. What a pull-up.
This is my house.
Oh my goodness. Ibang klaseng kira ni Bossy Jonas. And it's a Team Doggy. We will go back to the gameplay. Pull up and zero for Team Doggy. Sabi ka na kasalahin. Bossy Jonas pushing through. No good. So 1 point for Russo Brothers. MCD Hoops pushing it through. And 1 point for Bossy Jonas. Bossy Jonas sabi relax lang daw. MCD Hoops finding his way. I'll tell you it's you, and it's here for MCD Hoops. MCD Hoops having 10 points. Bossy Jonas. And sabi ni Bossy MCD, sandali lang, babawi ako. Here we go for MCD, 1 point, and it's here. And it's a 2-point lead. Russo Brothers, Bossy Jonas. Between the legs. Grabe. Between the legs. Grabe. A crucial game in all of a sudden between the legs of the enemy. Brothers on game 3. Here we go. MCT diving in. And still one point for MCT.
With 50 points, 90 post GA. Wow! So we have a record here. And still, pwede malampasan. Ito na,
Kaya pa yan, MCT Hoops.
for the record,
Setting up the play. One point to MCT. Welcome. Rebound Boston. Where we go, Boston. Pumapasok sa loob. Three-point shot. And it's a foul. And you can see the smile on Bossing Jonah. Sabi niya, ano ba niya?
you know he's going to attack. He knows best. But he walks out for MCT. 15 points. He's about to break the record of post GA for most points. Free throw is good.
And as of now, for Bossing Jonah,
Attacking.
11 points. MCT Hoops.
Sana yan.
No good.
Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Oh, what a good shot.
Go, Derek!
Jonah.
23-2. No good.
No good. Back to Team Doggy. Team Doggy negative 2. No good. Overshoot.
1 minute and 60 seconds remaining. Wala tayo ay mapla.
Rebound for Anissa Lapin. Finding a teammate. And still no good. And the ball goes to Team Doggy.
This is our closely contested
Sabi ni Boss Coach, ako naman. Ako naman. MCT Hoops. Hesitation. Pushing through. No way.
He's trying to break the record, by the way.
Bossing Jonah. Pinapasok sa loob. Back to MCT Hoops of Team Doggy. Attacking a zero. Next one up. Natapang Boss Coach versus Boss Jonah. Still no good. Still tie of 18 points. Boss Doggy. Attacking. Pushing through. Hesitation. Alas na tao. Here we go, Boss Coach. And it's foul.
Tubig!
Wow, oh wow. Ibang klase ang ating game 3.
Kanina maganda yung mga shooting ni MCT. Kung kailan, isa na lang.
Mukhang napapagod ang ating MCT Hoops. So, Team Doggy.
Doggy ball for the lead. Kaya natin kung may pasok dito na basketball. For the lead, wala yan.
And the ball will go to Team Doggy. Who's going to Team Doggy? Pati ang ating crowd ay super intense.
25 seconds, 81, 25 seconds, guys. Crucial basket.
2 seconds left.
The left, Kobe ng Cavite!
MCT Hoops for the rebound. Fouled by Team Busco Brothers.
Sa hilit. For the record, may violation na si MCT kanina man yan ball game so far with that.
Another chance to lead the scoring of the motivated 3x3.
16 points, breaking the record sa Philippines Boxing Day. But ang importante, hindi yung score individually, is the team score.
It's the W, it's the win. It's the important
Second
thing.
one,
And it's so good!
17 points, score na.